me jaiba. Ayo, always me jaiba. Me jaiba.
More coming up.
Because good music can be so hard to find. So hard to find.
Get it here.
It's your boy Travis. Gym Class Heroes, baby.
On Kuma Radio 97.1.
Yeah.
Across the world, your full good party radio station.
Turn my radio up.
On Kuma Radio 97.1.
And then Molana Posro because of match. Na Molana, idia would have been Pempeswano at Ajini Posua. And then Molana Posro because of match. Na Molana, idia would have been Pempeswano at Ajini Posua.
Blaster course 17. Amohana. Robert is the ocean answer. And a hotel who pee by no small boy. No, besides you in Sabidudu, if ye. That is Sudan for goalkeeper now, but done 1963 a share. And I'm down for the man is because I'm from Sabidudu now on the national team, and your club way and the bet. Now on 2 weeks, now boy from there. The boy not doing any buy, not been good anymore. Now on 2 weeks, now. And Obisa Ben said, or Kangana for one, and I know you goalkeeper Nasuman. I know Biao, Ben Kofi, coach, no the man, Ben, not Ben so from my
say, they see Kwanadi Atimu say, if you any fee, buy them prayer, we are chassis. Oh, game the net and shed on your bad, sir. We players now fine. A bit more and more born if you are harder. A bit more finding difficult. As time goes on, be buy. Oh, so far, no. Oh my idea, Omumi Nunaya. Who's a Cotocodia, Unini Besia, a question of Coala about not in a tomb pass. What has Odman and who you may have? One sorry, no Kubu anymore. Obia Besia Cotoqua, or no propen Obesia Cotoco. But so far, Omumi Nudia, Omunia.
Are you ready? For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world. From the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C., ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble! Are you ready? For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world, from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C., ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
And then Molana Posro because of match. Na Molana, idia would have been Pempeswano at Ajini Posua.
Okuma Radio. It's Station Radio Man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey.
The Mihunia and then Molana Posro because of match. Na Molana, idia would have been Pempeswano at Ajini Posua.
It's Station Radio Man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey. Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio.
All right, Okuma 97.1. Eviensi enya atenasi Okuma Global Sports here the bar. Na ewie ube pie ha so na amafo ani abre no. Crowd ya sante abutre. Coach de ya dia betena wan ya dia beko. Na mayemo bibi akwa ba biem fam Okuma 97.1. Onu se tena sese na sagudi emu nsam ye de ba. Na ene ye tena sene nsam ba ne ye hwe. Onu se enu ada ana ene no South African Football Association. Aya Safa. Ekwe press conference tin. Echire mu so mu match o me the Black Stars of Ghana be ball Cape Coast no. Osha decision a referee Edema Black Stars a penalty na referee je no. Omo susu se mu odwuram. Enteni o ma bonkrata area akoma ne no Federation of International Football Association. Ye twa ne tia friend FIFA. Echire ma sam match no yentwetwem. Nempo ni penifo betima ya yensambɔ match ni biem. Na eneno Football Association Edema South Africa our president abekasa. Ora ni dia ni Danny Jordan. O kyeremu se ampa referee no am so owia game ni mu. Ya South Africa krono. Echiji o sama eneno o mentima qualify. Samson na coach Edema South Africa ora ni dia Hugo Bruce. And so na chiremu se ono born ye ball 15 minutes no say no ye be yomo. And today allegations upon allegations. And a South African penny 4 year added to the Black Stars of Ghana. So now Sansem beto Jono and Ghana Football Association. And a pay answer to me the press release about. E chiremu se uche jume dia ne South Africa 4 year. And in your mood, and they almost show disrespect to the Ghana Football Association. And they almost translate almost na pokrata de akoma. If you South Africa for no. And almost some Eddie Tuja HM Sani Amano and Sam Fatamo. Sabi football no media church. The likes of Danny Jordan mo. Omo the ball na church and Sani Amasabi 7 Yama Uno Mudino and Sam Fatamo. Nemo no so krata FIFA dia ba no so be respond to it accordingly. And then some market Simon Okrekun so dia ba. The international face di san command ofia. But then no da go shop budget and the finance minister de ba ya. And the budget na be to Joan football na ye die wom. I said anticipate visa but ye die wom anesa. Finance Minister HM Accra Sports Stadium 98% done, complete. A renovation exercise there so. Samson Ababa Yaranso Neguso. Cape Coast 63%. Now energy sema Finance Minister Editu Janini. Ochrema new at the BRC Sports Stadium no afi yebewie. And I said 2022 no budget edi asema yesho se betime wie new at the BRC Stadium no. Na ube piemu e okwapema. Yes, a crapim yati asem there. Chirema a brew park no, yes, a brew park no, and a budget no, yadi asem. Chirem say brew park no 2022, ye be ye the ame brew for. And he and just summer and also a bar. And in a brew for Tajwe Mati asem there. Say Nemo Parker, matching a channel, Finance Minister Chirema, ye be ye the amamo. All right, I said now follow budget.
Oh yes. Now Vakubia Okaye Esipon Sports Stadium Takra de no. I said 90% done. But Osha pictures new way. okay me who say 90%
see phase 1 and phase 2
no say phase 1 phase 2 na just say 90% at least phase 1 phase 2 no cra 50 crank okay
but na you know every day no say
oh yes I know the say
you feel I be call
you be call ni aka kwhwe na ye hwetwe but esipon de na e week akra o ye the pictures there beto so no me
see your head there yenka brew asem
but
no be so bizarre and obi text me say na ye brew na dey ye Ademi Park and I say mesre o
nyo na yo ono
mesre o I told me you're in charge of Ademi Park mesre o Entina ko susu sanga ye ebru na keja ya na ke ebru Ademi Park na ke bia so Ademi Park
say nkakranka stage 1 stage 2 nkakranka ento mutumi nye so mo yeri ni album da bi
so on kase omo won say edumebre na nka mo ye na omo ja to oni ade anja ba o kire mu sanka
nko munye ni nia
nko munye yi na nusu yi na
ko ye ya ka but eyi so omo ye yi na we ni ye yi na eyi ne tumi wo na ye yi ya no so mo yes
but I can't be service. I said, "We na metina say na say, waka say mo." And I know me so was happy. Me say, that should tell us a more good leader. Ochire mo just say, "Oyi omo leaders na na alobia na ne Ebru Park na ija to on wa be
yes.
Agwana na send him some message.
But leaders are ba. How many you know leader ba no be yes.
Entina go say ye die na say bia na mfa.
Abefa
Ademi Park.
Abefa.
Oni hu history.
Many we very right.
Hu history is our head of sport. Okay, but I write as a kotokomu ya edu.
Yes, I'm there numu bede because week numu ni amu bede. 2 day na aba. But you see about na betika voice there. Na dey aba. Baba ku bi so ba ebeba week ya mu yes. Ebeba week ya ba enye ibia. Say ebe confirm ya so na o me yentinu. Inje na nye
news. Yes,
mu bede E4 some be ka say 4. Yes, 4. And 2 aba. Njaka 2. Just 2 beba.
And then I'm an some
the house was wide there. Has a team. Yes,
Ama 3 points.
Oh, yes, you lose no.
The jam serious.
Yes, me has to do pick. I'm picking on shocking the whole world. I'm not shocking the whole pass. I'm not about me. I'm about much. Yeah.
And I'm an something
okay.
Never share budget, no sports, no. Nothing. Safa, South African Football Association, and Ghana Football Association, Tokwa. But many brand many Ghana Football Association.
No, me serious because Osha Andra press conference and Grofu yeah. Oh, me was almost better 5 hours. But na say no GFA 40 or shebi. Fino mu tu o shebi but kratan by no kratan no me gidi say GFA. Okay, omunya around yemfan say 4-5 no menya. Kratan here say eba about maybe 5:30 or corner kratan be security. And na GFA for you to be press conference. Any communication director wa say.
Communication director say I am in person obeka.
But he's the communication at least. Yes.
I know to
yes.
How many times na my friend?
I said 4 times. One pick call.
So I'm here ready some responding to issues here.
Okay.
Start here say and the end you better na sidina akoni say ebu boy and ebu boy and one boy and you move. Sa and no cut. And I feel so communication director Henry Asante Chum. They be American Henry. We a fine man. Ebra na our dreams have sit. Me know dreams be bobo and oh my 5 minutes be 15 minutes be. They have more dreams who they wrote. Na a man fun say dreams about.
Yes.
And they be a communication director.
He has certain people's
yes. But you should know say Jumano and young crank one year. Jumano and young crank one year. Me catch no. Henry Asante Chum.
Yes. GFA letter na ba no. Me started ready from the first start and I say GFA. I don't see
FNE yes serious. Let feel say oh ya boy ya win ne be CBNC. But look at how South Africa for any issue no.
Yes, very very serious. And GFA for the start of letter na GFA the buy and apa we are. Me ready say wa kofa ne fi Accra Edna Bakeku. Ni ya
wunya. O kofa ne fi Accra ko ke.
Eno so dey. Oba ona ba
say we wi ano osi we wi ano osi match na mo boy no money betting company bi asesa ho
it
onim say oh yeah dey Ghana be win and looking at incident na see no so no e kamia ko say o case
yes o case and o the back way say you came to the stadium first before say South Africa enu fashion ba tabi enu fashion ba I was at the stadium Ghana the Blasters of Ghana and the first team buy omo be first stadium we answer na South Africa ba Ghana near first team was Sifi Basma, son South Africa. And to win out the same night, no so I cover that yaba. And no bad, any shit.
Last time, team and Cassan to play, so no count.
Come be.
Chances I'm with here.
Come on, 2, 3.
The man have decided some Nam Krumana life na Mumbo
they be a blaster. Scan grade the Mahazakis ladies for Omuko Krom the can or Shombo match. Oh yeah, Keto Krekute. When there's some you mess we Super Cup. Omo land or tiase
na physics and science aba and who move if you crack keep close 2 hours but South Africa for say 7 hours enti den
and no have fashion ba eke
enti den allegations somebody to Ghana so no am to the extent say ebiakoka his excellency
ebeka no
Tremus anka South Africa win kura anka Ghana socio-economic the pressure nyaba ko good president so
say kroma
and sits in this country now just ade we
ensem hunu bia na the politics be frafra we football but obi penny way aye ntino
omo say FNE a week
yes
omo say FNE a week South Africa for na say FNE a week
sometimes
and it's true and it's true before Ghana South Africa game na Patrice Motsepe CAF president and I'm Nkrumah
yes
monuti akese and I'm life akese na ma keke now so you are doing the few game no so take your attention
yes
from the game yes Patrice Motsepe CAF president yes but South Africa ni obi anim South Africa ni now no before the game na Nkrumah no Mwangasa boyfriend anga mo blaster ko ball game Ethiopia Mwangasa South Africa for be do Ghana eja mo mo home na Mwangasa mo no mo board mo do Ghana eja
yes
yes ne ye ka mo ye fra amfa from 20 head in the Abbey.
Let them crowd read the letter. I said, I don't see any.
Let them release nobody up. Mankind in Akosi, they are not making any sense.
I don't. The last part was in notes. Maybe the crime said, what's the sense of writing this?
Last part. Also note, we wish to state that we have received correspondence from FIFA and would respond appropriately within the ambit of the FIFA regulations.
So which means a letter on the abano. That's not appropriate. A letter on the abano. No. Okay, that's not true. That's not true because me read it. I say so, which means say I'm communicate na GF the Ghana Football Association the buy no. That's not the appropriate letter they buy. I
say the truth. The truth is that the distance from Accra to Cape Coast is only 79 miles. That's 127 kilometers. Unfortunately, for our colleagues, Cape Coast is a tourist city, and many people across the world has been to Cape Coast and would.
So what city? Why did you say Cape Coast? So I don't know. I don't know. Can match in one. Was it part of the match of South Africa and Ghana boy? You know. Sometimes you know when you're just okay. Okay, I'm look at
yeah. Why you don't mean?
Ube. Yeah. Number. Yeah. Sir. Yami out na badi jina ko abe ye na ama Senegal mo former player no me say me ka say former yeso obi house of former player say no house of folk empeni form nya yi omo hwe the ex players o say empeni for no hwe ex players no wakaza pa papa ni bofu
Anyway.
Obey ya ya o afa o
I'm saying yeah ni amfa o.
Nafa ya okay afa
Ntino.
Yanko.
Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again.
And writer.
Okay. Yakoa. Wame afa Samantu aso Jumedian so information eti family ya store Kuma Radio 97.1 FM Isra ko Facebook na search Jumedian na like oba no ahye na comment na ma Jumedian bia so no etumi akonkai wor mo a come so no enya fedia ground samle dross ya boabo no else Pythagoras to we ofia no atobo ase ya so katwa na bia so no etumi akonkai we entro bi o monitor show no from afar yes ye tuna bia so no etumi akonkai medino e the writer commentator yansha here from the Ghana Football Association akachende na eye wukopiema eye Women's Premier League Super Cup no 24 pound to ma the Ghana Football Association secretariat commerce no enye fediagro kaisa so esa nyame aduma the Women's Super League no anase Super Cup no betimi akeke of Friday eye November 25th eye the Ghana Football Association aba esa the top eye for women's teams on with me womo eye the best the northern and the southern zone womo and commerce no eye about teams womo ever participating anu nie woko piema ampemda qualities Esther so and a Prisons Lady Kumasi Sports Academy Stars Ladies womo ewo northern zone so and a oko piema the southern zone Azakas Ladies Berry Lady Soccer Interlateral so and a woko piema Lady Strikers Jumedian no hon commerce no anya fediagro Jumedian so here the Emma Generative Fonti woman group in group A and group B group A no say and in common ACT ampemda quality Soccer Interlateral Prisons Ladies and Berry Ladies woman ewo a group A Sasuna group B no and on common only Azakas Ladies Sasuna Lady Strikers Kumasi Sports Academy and All Stars Ladies woman and our teams are woman group B a woman say nyame atoma the 2021-22 a Women's Soccer and as a Women's Super League no 25th November Friday and a Jumedian Sobeto ja come as no ya the Emma Generative for Jumedian so and Fediagro Kaisana so Randy Ignatius Joseph so no head coach Adema Mediama Sports Club pano yes na temni de betu jase papa nanche ye born in nasu to and ram na been for betu jase papa who share 3 matches awabo e won Mediama no so far so good and mbody born enso in team perform abo nasi to ade fi Mediama Sports Club come as no enya Fediagro ye the Emma Generative for ewo eye Jumedian so ye fi on ekopiemo ewo bobo kwanteni Azakas Ladies akachi ye ni say yes Azakas Ladies nyame adoma Friday one more enemy Momelady Sanders of South Africa Edwin Times way a CAF Women's Champions League final yashase Azakas Ladies betumi aji Jumedian no edi AC naso enemo na wuko piema the chairperson and I said chairwoman edema the Women's Premier League Madam Hilary Boatman made kuma akwedi aba say yes wuko piema bubo kwanteni Azakas Ladies so far so good womi etima diverse deserve very special applause because ya bo mabaso say yes bridgema pa the Ghana Premier League yes madam edia tuja
bo mabaso kese pa na yema yeni eba women's football because yeni etini ba ho say yeni won men and believe say e man no because what Ghana ni mu de bia that
and we and Kumakra, Madam Hilary Boateng, what they buy, the emergent, a tier for no Sunday to just say yes. Abra ladies, ebe kotona metro, what preditia as a kowa de kowa la creme de la creme. Wuko piema, Zakas ladies, yes, trophy no, Omako piemo, final day, Yadinya, Omedi Baba.
Egypt no ni pia ewo hono ma enye ne de na enye ne ni kanso omo ba beko Egypt no the interview Premier League launch or FA office na me ka Hazard for ebe win trophy no eye me nika se omokoye no aye me ka ye asin se me prediction no omo ya na them they say o me to final between Sundowns na me adom na minimum say it will be their biggest test this Friday. However, no, o senior team no, if he abo homo day, especially no, omo bape omo left you omo games. The first half na nkoyia, second half ubia no tinu the coach bazi any omo kasa sisani mana assistant team no amomo. I believe the game on Friday. Na me ya duma omo be win the trophy no Eddie Abagana.
And we are Kuma Kra chairperson and the women's Premier League board. What do you buy? Yes, imaginative for now. Crocra not better to just say yes or best. As I say, yes, institution be one more. One better no me fa and as one boy. The women's Premier League na be biasonom into me and conkai.
No, yeah, as a committee and our committee members here, and what we can do is to appeal, say, corporate entities or movers can or mubetini edi or mohua beshe in my league no na yetini sika edi a supporting class specific for Hazardous ladies here. I believe in my heart of hearts say omobagana omubenya achedie bebre.
And we are Kuma Kra Madam Hilary Boatin Wadiapa. Here's the match and the tier for you Fimba football Yantin Tomu our crop ya Bobo Kwa Denia so folk rather catch yes. Now House of Folk in common in here I will copy my deputy NCC Piaro Radene I am Mr. Ishmael you shift for paid in Kuma Krediapa. I say yes House of Folk no Motomboase and my coach Samobody supporters and more money nam as a House of Folk team no House of Folk team no 3 matches 3 points in ya Motomboase a season Sana season this city obi obetimi start here onwie you obi won to me start here obewie enti some boy no still they are behind him I say yes omjidi say leg no ometimi age
well minia make us say coach Samobody House of Folk supporters eta na chidin we see in fact the modern mono ekonkai for a full support we are supporting him early this year they are about 3 matches even though see a win in football no a part of it there are instances that maybe ube started started one how started no at the end of the day no be call ND last season I also started league no yeah started very well but later on with the winning league season I can assure us for fans when you have a friend we will bounce back and still win the league. It belongs to us and we will retain it despite all the challenges that we are facing. Your best supporters Obia almost support infantile.
And we are Kuma Kra Mr. Ishmael Wadiapa. Here's the imaginative for now. Crocra not hard fans. Hey. What forget a glass in our glass will distract you. Won't forget your glass in our kukra.
I will edit on every House of Folk fan. Maybe she forget about our issues. Let's concentrate on our games and then we'll play our games. Don't go every day in day out now. I'm gonna be our distracted. House of Folk. I mean, your plan for the week.
And we are Kuma Kra Mr. You see for no NCC yes Piaro Ermabu Quadinia so for Quadiapa yes the Imagine LT4 now if you're my Titomo Crobia Kumase Asante Koroko Akachedra and Bobo Quadine Crobia Kumase Asamtorako Womo Edbe to just say yes only to make Kobe Betika form Eltimia sign it do yes one said the next 2 years Womo Ebetimia partner Nabi Biasono it to me Akonkenum and a communication director Erma Crobia Kumase Santroko David Obenyako Papa Eden Kuma Kredia Basa yes Krobia Kumase Santroko so far sponsors Baku 9 and a one more any pin for Kika 2 naba and carry there and I'm quite sober.
Excitement about our announcement. Quite fast announce Coach Prosper. Yeah, also how much you all over there. So we have our own way. I want to always get the fans excited about the new sponsor. But here they about 4 sponsors for this short period. Fans from now to like December. You bet man announce about 4 sponsors. Hopefully next season bet him the football club there. That's the best way to run it.
And we are Kuma Kra yes David Obenyako what the other yadi imaginative for nebisa Adako Jachi project so far can afford Kasase Makofa container nyama so far project no ecosystem.
The container project very short now. They say washrooms now is being used by the players already in the facility. Officially, no. I can't external waste clad and no work. I cry with Dennis. We are done with it. But you see, before so bit Marco project, you have to plan. So who's the card work shame? into what we are using, no, a business sponsorship and also any youth media ban. You better improve the financial inflows into the football club. So for example, say it's more sponsors. I bet Marcus so we was at 3 sponsors where you seek away there. Yeah, they call into that project to make it complete. So about that, there's so many things that we have to do. Yeah, landscaping cry, to work found. And in the future, say it's even a mini stadium or that chat is fair because maybe a ball match here. As I got to bit my one small matches go so we've up to play when Real Madrid or Moja Santiago Bernabéu. I do this one almost one ball matches near dinner. So I think that in the medium to long term, no, and this I normally see so but I want to improve the financial inflows of the club. And our youth team project near very important because so where youth players now you can sell them for good money. Say to me one talent maybe to mount on $1 million and two. Yeah, the size can come about that kojachi. When you might be to me, so that is how management wants to raise revenue.
And to way, Anna Kumakra, communication director, and my book quoting at a crop Yakumasi, some Torako, was thereby the Amazon 84 Nandra, Yasabajatana, sport for not Temuku Chupa, Thierry Abacoso, finance minister, Ken Oforiata, Papadian Kumakra Jaya, yes, sir. Yamia Duma 2022, the stadium's boo on moi, say, and I'm community.
And continue preparing. Ghana will participate in the Commonwealth Games in Birmingham and continue preparatory activities towards organizing and hosting the 13th Africa Games in Accra in 2023. Government will procure sports logistics and equipment and begin the construction of a new multi-purpose sports hall, hostel facilities, and Olympic-sized swimming pool at Boteman in Accra. Mr. Speaker, some stadia across the country were renovated in 2021 and at various stages of completion as follows. Accra Sports Stadium, 98%. Phase 1 of Baba Yara Stadium, 98%. Esipon Stadium, 90% complete. Cape Coast Stadium, 60%. In 2022, government will continue the construction of the Abreu and the new Edubiasi Sports Stadia, as well as commence the rehabilitation of the Sunyani Coronation Park Stadium.
And I don't know, Ziggy Mesro for Sunyani Esipon Sports Stadium neto subame. And you know, monko Facebook na monko share Esipon. Yes, Sports Stadium 90%. I'm saying 90%, almost 90% done. And monko Facebook na monko share stadium na 90% no. Almost be bia solid no. Monko na monko share bias no. To me enko kaite no. Zigidi atoso. Enti AK we are 90% ana.
So be aka grass no.
Okay. Aka grass no.
So na be a grass no.
We are grass no.
Grass na.
Baby etutu no de beto so be un.
So be a grass na 10% no.
Okay, enti 10% no. Okay, baby etu ne ba no waka say do so be who percent aka. Enti no enti Zigidi atoso. Na former I say
na grass na yin fu.
Yes, enti na
oh, there be yin Esipon.
When you say na efa. Tag radio.
I need a jig ticket, you know.
Are you okay?
I said prison yard be ame.
Okay. And I say yeah, but I say it's if who declare this thing ayeka. And say 2 feet go it's if we him. Yanka so the omo kanombo, but at least no us nya evidence. What you say? We ha ni omzo be ye. Ye be ko twa pictures. Nyame us nyame adobo chena. Ye be gusu na omehu. So what you say? Na you say yes. And no come on no. Former so folk Emmanuel ama Senegal. Papiri ko mo kakra dia bam ko bisa sana zuba aso folk so far so good nyama na say enko ye mfa mom say hey right then me ka so folk ase cause impedifo na nka so me jaye ye express no so mo hwe no o me jaye na sabe nsem bi eno mudi.
Oh, as a folk assembly, Pachopa, as a folk assembly, maybe legend for class of folk, but assembly, I mean to me can work, be some crap, to me can work because I don't support them because of your officials in paying for no, I won't treat you well. Until I dear word, they be a senior man for my school, I'm catching, say, me, Yakotoko, all this in crap, me, Baby John, you, me, Baby John, because. I see him paying for no. I want to make treat you what? Just say me one.
I didn't. Yes, I was in the car. No.
Well, sure.
mean, yes, you are.
I'm a Senegal today. I'm in TV.
Oh, as a focus, SMD Pachopa, as a focus, SMD, Mimi, legend for class of but SMD, to me can work with some crab into me can work because I don't support them because of your officials and paying for no, I'm on treaty well until idea or the media. I'm senior man for Massacre, can't change me, Minakotoko, all this and crap, me Baba John you, me Baba John you because I see and paying for no, I'm on to me treaty well until I say me all.
Again, no, I there's someone treat you more your kind of feelings. Yes, true. Because me also got go
Emmanuel, I'm a Senegal.
Yes, I'm a Senegal. No can. Okay. Our kind, you know. And no come on, I don't know. We busy. Nyame oduma 20.
Where na me so what you know.
Wait you know. Ajo audio sade time we dey here. Obo Sicilia Egypt, then Egypt. House of Folk JS Swara, yeah, JSS4 no. Nyame aduma 28. Rafi and the team. Rafi Mohammed Abdul Hassani from Egypt and Nyame aduma wo ba bedi House of Folk and JSS game no. Nyame aduma 28 has a first leg across Sports Stadium or first leg across Sports Stadium. The House of Folk kwisiada omko bo asiria ombaga be bobre kum Chelsea across Sports Stadium mumuria no ma South na fie no omni JS Swara e dia in terms of Rafi Mohammed Abdul Hassani from Ethiopia and ebedi sa game na ehon come so na nya fidi agro coach Ignatius says for of Egypt yes
na has in North African country ball match North African referee inside
yes I know Woody see the club na yawana see no referee then the referee coach Ignatius says for Suzuba see asaki no and the report in here we rejected 33,000 Sky Edemano is a compensation. I Edemano, yes. Why reject it? 30, yes. Why reject 30,000 rather? 30,000. Why reject it?
Why reject it?
Or say contract no munya sa na wom.
Wom say saying.
Maybe I don't sound no ka say contract. Me say you better na say yes sign contract 3 years ah. Ya mega say me modu mo so ne be sa ke me da be yes na contract mu.
19 money months ya man internet.
Travel 3 matches e dey access.
Say a company bi be say mutua man akora.
Betua man say omo we for no. So betumi etua man no. Enti eno komo so enum story a me style Ivrade. Ma ya afamani so. DFNC. Enke hia pa. Enke fam ho so. Yes, House of Folk. SCC issued strong warning to referees. Alleged brought against clubs. Oh, okay. And the House of Folk. Yes. Referees. And we know. Yeah. Me woman na.
Oh, me una.
Okay, you know, Bedino. At a writer commentator, I'm go Facebook, I'm like your Command Radio. Sanso na mko YouTuber bibia be to jawo e studio ase na wo be hu ne kre na bia street bia ko Kabedino. Once again, a writer, commentator, AK, and the team Nakaro, Etiaso. What shall I say? Oh, what you know? Oh, what you know? To unity.
What shall I say? Oh, what you know?
All right, into the writer commentator, and I'm telling Castle Fistem no, and also Etimi area ba Koroko bumper deal Betika, yes, Betika ba, and to the Muguso, she's a deal, so no be Babacon. I come, you know, as a writer said that to just say 4, 2 aba, aka 2, into a Betika. Kwabia so madam for no na oya ambassador won. Madam for yes, Sibdila. Ono ya ambassador. Ono ya ambassador.
Ghana ha na dey ono okurikuri mu a.
Okay, ntino deal na ba.
And we no wo mo ba betuetu akotoko players no ka.
Ntono koroko players salary no omo no befa.
Enya dey akotoko ka kwatam sika bi afi wo mo futom dey etu player bi aka.
Oh, okay. Okay, omutia nso na ma hwe ni because omutia
Sana.
Sanko
Sabat and the saying I young who say Oko West Ham no ade betway ni ade ana wo monso afa wo
and
you broad way to say
but don't say a women's Super League, you know, and then Omolanchi.
Women's Super League. Ghana. Azakes ladies in here for.
The Omolanchi.
Okay. Name woman a woman lunch. All right. Now I thought say who say Azakes ladies in a women's league. You know, yeah, na me say bia. Omo babe.
Super League.
Okay.
Ghana Football Association. All right. Introduces our. Once I'm Congress. Somebody to just some melanchi. Super League. You know, and then. Ena amade ba just
banquet one.
Oh GFE secretary conference.
Okay.
And you know yanko amano so na yanko fa report and free GFE akachi and you know panel yes ewa amano so no your reporter ko pie mu our GFE conference room
then e so ho ni
so dey amane yebo eba you know yeko panel yanko fo ya di yasa akemo hello na ayi munya yi na yenhwese nsabeka pene wa no so na amfa report no embra onse ehunya se Super League ni ebebo mema bo Super League ma so bo entino pene
hello yeah but talk to me ga
asa wa homa no echuchesi ajume enye abawo otemeka na otemeka na wakopie mo Ghana Football Association conference room the Women's Premier League lunch no ana ne etumi ekọ so boy amane jumade no ko say
on made in Adam Matefo and so I say now Michelle Bibia and so now Obepio Ghana Football Association has said yeah Jumadiano etimi area successfully na Bibia and so etimi eko so kama Jumadiano asset now Jumadiano the entire bar has said say about launch a women's Premier Super Cup and also etimi eko na Jumadiano women's no a best starting on the 25th of November now etimi area on the 5th of December sa etimi eko now back class now group A no Ampem da Kwa versus prisons ladies Sansna Berry ladies and so versus soccer intellectuals and only match day one no now group B no and so Hazakes ladies or more any ladies strikers sa and so and Kumasi Sports Academy or money Ashtown ladies and I say and no and so the etimi home etimi at the buyer etimi at the TF when the meeting can everyone to see no match day one and no match day one no and so etimi ekọ and only say Jumadi no etimi ekọ so no sponsors and I saw more or more back no so other sponsor league no KLC or more and Max TV and so ebeyin in live Max TV and so ebeyin in live e ho no man say bibia and so etimi kama women's Premier Super Cup no and so and no Jumadi kakra no and so etimi ekọ officially no and no and so na yetimi alanche we ho no ma na bibia and so etimi akoso kama de ama obibia
panel mami mbisa ene no mpanyifo alanche no omode price money bi etudwa
lunch na mpanyifo alanche no manfa price money bia amfa antudwa sa
na ene no ndi omanfa antudwa wo wini ajesan otiti bibi say ne obi wini obenya bibi ana onte hwe
na obi wini obenya bibi no eno Jumadi bia KGL foundation no no cast obi wini obenya bibi but man for the actual money amfa ambetu just say bia first one abbeji say second one abbeji say eno the man fan tuja
okay but pero venue so no na me tete say no Magdan Latam Park ana fe so no Madina Zura Park sanet here ana any assessor.
Okay, sisi no empayinfo no e abase Madina Zura Park ho na Jumadi no ebetimi akoso Magdan de ono enso eka committee no bi but yentimi ankobo e park no sentinel officially no Madina Zura Park ho na Jumadi no ebetimi akoso.
Okay, panel mayenda ase we say no odi amanebo efi Ghana Football Association conference meet you
answer me kokra unim say and launch no 2 launching no 2 Inter Club Champions League under 17 Inter Club Champions League eno enso timi ekoso eno enso timi ekoso na eno sponsor and as a headline sponsor no KGL Foundation na ono na sisi no ni din ababeda Champions League no 20 no sisi ni yefe no KGL under 17 Inter Club Champions League na se no enso na etimi ekoso na eno no papa no etimi di tuja say 2 sets of jerseys yedema every club or more winning na 12 clubs and more eba and every club beyond league no ebe shasi and 2 sets of jerseys yedema club biasa and so and 15 balls for every team now also about my first runner up second runner up sounds my third runner up no or more be receive award but then also no award no yan fan tuja nje bi omobo wi a na ye be hu the award no na also no ye be born on the 6th of December on the 6th of December na ye Super Cup na the next day na ya ball and U17 Inter Club Champions League na say no and so and it make na KGL sponsor no headline sponsor no or this couple $1 million $1 million and a day share league ni mu na say sana no and so etimi akoye ahase a etimi dey brem bibia.
Okay, panel. Me and I say sound so dia amanebo. I refer the Ghana Football Association and Women's Super League and I think so na 17 inter club competition no launch no so ukopie ma dia amanebo and so etima boy. Me and I say.
Okay, me do we ase.
And no yenia panel and I tell ka say ni amanebo ye tu no so ukopie mo F na ka chia no so etimi ade amanebo and so etimi aba but abeja fortuna say I'm out for warm 9 but Ghana against South Africa game no ya boy we am anakoda but after the game no nsense me ba no ense dan ye nika eno that reporter Misaka just say Ghana ni bikra South Africa ya want to can kuno all because of issues penalty and penalty sa and ya want to can etumi ekunu but my ma we jafa kwa ba we for be fine
we kama kama yete nkwamade na bibia kama ele radi ase
no MC skaba mo kakra
tie
ifia me bisaw
ege skade biaba fie biaba kotokum ntino ya chicha biaba so nsuro
kotoko fiske biaba so meso
biaba so say ade isi ne yamu say yanu na ebo ha to fone isi yanu na ebo ko 111 yanu na ebo ni na ntino edusu ya eche bi mombi na ege answer na mebe mu say wo be tie
okay Krabia say o do many way we
okay
what's you
barawu kakra so what you say
me ya so obema show na zulu
enye slow but unum say minimum hu hio and we be do any house for food and sport and food joint e ho pepe na be do na wo more bo mama ne na
ya me ne hene me no ma onu ya no senji me amero be adwuma no pa me pie ya no wodi sia me ntino ma me yesu
wo pepe na me do na but belated birthday and confirm honorable Kofi Asante Bempo the second born ne babia ma bena
na frame but
na endra na woda and belated birthday and ma bena and minim bibia koso kama ndra bibia mofra na yiji wo moni sa ho da bi me kwakra na wo mo wie because mofra ne be ye wo niama wo ho no ma ntino birthday kase pa confirm ma bena na chese onyin benya abofra pa be ye obia pa na ni no first ladies ni adi bi no be bi na
chese Evelyn in siasa Jumo Bo
as ladies
and Amanda Clinton mi ame lawyer ba ko pe
chabalala no mu ni ade
a to abonya 0 amana me ame madam to about has FA onya 0
o ko eve
Rakwa we are fine
we are fine yeah
Amanda Clinton
we are fine ma me so me ma konta
the boy
the boy mi chocho mu
mama fun say wa konta na otua ni
happy belated birthday you send round the entman shia mentman twana ntum ntino me fa konya iso mfanya ogbo adwuma
na normal bibi kaka
oh yeah eba
oh yeah eba ono so se ono no ade ba ko ukọ bo yin ye bi ni aware
This one say chop money party.
Awari ni nyame ni pa anim.
I say chop money party. Only give you awari.
Awari ni nyame ni pa anim. Oka sa mo mu de edu baby. Oh yeah.
I say one worry anga you wear na na small outside.
Oh, and I say contractual base.
Oh, okay.
Contract. 5-year renewable.
Okay.
And can get bad.
Okay. But you made him come on. You carry the turn on West Sinubu.
The boy belated birthday. Okay. The boy me man belated birthday.
No, I'm having
me huni. But Andra na drive no so no me the comment no to as say.
Na ko be yan ka bibi kaka bread the boy.
The boy say me ni baby na.
Oni baby
is baby a o kire men nti e ho me ni baby na nti anso come Kingsford en kwadade. The don na my friend good afternoon and confirm man na on ohima so wonji wo mani kakra on ohima
Kingsford on ohima
yo
okay you made him come any Crystal boy na you made him come South Africa issues in Ghana issues and I feel no the counter statement aba I don't know what can be near there issues so I think day in day out and I'm say ekwaso ne ade a grab am shots in Fenfield.
Okay. Yen nyina yenim dia free mu aba from the match no you born on the 14th right? Yeah, on the 14th.
Sunday
yeah, on the 14th and your ball game ni we and your ball game ni we no we press conferences a course so from the camp of the Black Stars yen the yen winning to so far you be young players and so abaso any coach no Melo Ejuma wo mo ye from the South African side press conference any Hugo Bruce ekoye utie nsem okekan ya na kire say muda ho kakra but after say okodu South Africa no I don't know say it was by influenced and I say directional na South African Football Association no penny for eko ana ono so ye say and yes idea ono so twin ho free no kware no ho na ombedwani wo modia because listening to press conference a course and as a post match interview a course just after the game from Hugo Bruce way different from that of their your witness say Andra press conference or kwatena say was South Africa and in somewhere or the to South Africa manimu any juma what the man say obetumi ahwe nimu na South Africa football no bafana for no etumi qualify no was clearly different because utie press conference a course wa hana na eke Andra me ko YouTube na me ko Google na me no me ko tio penny no because that dia oko kan press conference na se na way different and me huni say I say directional South African FA ni pese ekono no enti e was say sa no nso no yeden anka abrofo nso de anka yenim say sa ne oma we enya ade a obetumi ayeden e de awe won anka de oka ana oka eke South Africa allergy complain to FIFA and then FIFA nso etumi ate ase aprompte Ghana FA say they are so womunsa keni from the SAFA phone ho enti no Ghana phone so no oma from now till 20th no womun so emfa womanu di se wana womu wa no di bia womun so emfa mbrambe tuga ho no and ho no de I think said the FA no and the FIFA ebe delay ho no but dia FA no so e dia babonten ai no memi hunu say no ye dia ono so de clear the waves ama Ghana for no so no say dia anopa no na metie wa o kire say e wo say FA no so nkeka ne ho kakra e wo Ghana ha and just after an hour mu wie program no apepepe ana FA no so de buy na I don't know say bia wo ye course bi ni ade na say one na wo hwe won pete takrem ni ade because we make that comment na metie morning show no wie pepepe time pepepe ana FA no so release na e beto me box mu no so okay ana me ready bia na me hu said e tintinu na e say justice ani nyina ye hwehwe say ene ye FA no so de ntina wodin ma South Africans yi no entoto nwia ne ade ye FA kura de wo mo de afofore ye ngabang ne president odisu nyina na say okay ade na eni ayeye nyan ene dia ato yen Ghanaian born unim say oh this player obebo kotoko just say ne uncle pa na metie ne interview ne uncle pa nkasa ne ma me nua berema pena ene wo mo ekumbo South Africa Frimpong one Frimpong bi I think be Frimpong obebo or a former kotoko player ono na ene wo mo tumi de ne wo fa ato
wɔn ekum ne wɔfa I don't know wɔn din bi ka frimpong sa ana ene wɔn etumi ekum ne wɔfa paa enti no ɛyɛ so unfortunate say yɛbɛte such news ɛwɔ hɔ but eke ade ne nyinaa yɛ media America after these protests we hu nyinaa ne say from the aspect of football ne football no the South Africans ne yɛ no na me hu say eke ɛho behia say wɔn mo bɛtɔ wɔn mo buase kakra na yɛ say wɔn mo de mra bɛhyɛ wɔn nsɛm na wɔn mo attack citizens wɔn mo Ghanaian citizens wɔn mo wɔ South Africa na emom no wɔn mo be make sure say wɔn mo football association no take the due diligence to the case say if say after a game on tinoma biase a wo de be call the appropriate courts no and as appropriate council na wo mo nso etumi ahwemu a review na wo mo the results no etumi aba abonten no wo mo nso follow suit as said ya wo mo efe no aye upon nia wo mo keka nyina no de ni nyina kan egoro no ho ntinu ye mfe no ntinche ne ye hwe the issue na nkasa enu echi no okay instead of wo mo de akoma FIFA no me I think say if say yamfa ne say Okuman FM ene no Acro Farms na ebo game Okuman media memfa ne sa anabi Acro Farms na ebo game na ene no referee obegina akwensie ni mu no ne modembo anso ani nti odi ema baby yen hunu say Acro Farms hunu so odi ma Okuman fo a na ene no emra da ho say obey petition na empanifu etumi review referee ne performances. I don't think say sad no affected the results and I betumi atene the results no. And Oshe the 2017 similar one AC ewo Ghana any DR Congo, right? It was DR Congo, Ghana 2017 World Cup
against Uganda.
All right, Uganda no. Ghana FA actual petition at the command FIFA say clear penalty a referee no nje. Yes, share a clear goal and I say clean goal and also referee no disallow. But in all the referee no ana sumbu biaye den eko edema no say referee no ana the end no wanye na dwuma yie inte ye referee no na if say FIFA matches and I say FIFA sanction games ana on to me ndi and I say band bi na wo mo de be man no but no affect the results say referee obegina kan say no na agi penalty a enye penalty so therefore the match no should be replayed. I don't think say yes, sir. Anna Sambra, we know able to me agina so.
Kobia, what follow story now and issue now? South Africa phoning him say when they go in say referee performance and kwana and start results. No, maybe a sanction.
Sure.
And you know, we push it to even involve the FA. What by no treatment and what the man want.
Okay.
So what one for same move. And I even was make a statement say game nankasa wo boy nankasa one who say fix
e na me sa nti okay sa one more allegation or treatment efe no di one more fame no South Africa this is not the first time one more Bagana have a ball and Cape Coast in particular 2019 AFCON qualifier ye share one 2-0 no Cape Coast one one more belande wa Accra from Accra and one more Cape Coast and one more ambisa one who say that's 9 hours now one more state e petition ni mu no it was 9 hours now 2019 one more buy from Accra to Cape Coast no one more de kwayana and even from South Africa na wana me go going now from South Africa to Ghana 6 hours by flight. South Africa to Ghana 6 hours
by Nankasa land Nankasa we to bus Nankasa motorcade send you
until from South Africa Nankasa no ba Ghana hanom no 6 hours how from Ghana Greater Accra to Cape Coast no 9 hours South American say inti hono de me who the awomo patch
and we treated them treatment one wasn't fair. It wasn't fair.
Inti hono de okay if enye fair eno no so no ensesa the result but their ultimate goal nyina na say ultimate hearing awomo pese wo munya de ya wo mu seek for no say the results will be overturned or a match replay will be scheduled and eno so enya de be ye adwuma and wo hwe ene no match awomo say fixed any betting way awomo di shemu na okay me bisa say ene South Africa for no if say match no fixed da hina na hina and fixed sa game no because it was a game between two nations
fixed no be you want a referee Ghana and
referee na kasai Senegalese referee no Ghana no fixed game
what they are saying is anetine
because anka dia minimum say if say game no into betting and I say a fixed game, it should be between the two teams, you know. And most at times, you know, one more engaging in fixed matches. So what I say, because one South Africa and Shego are referee disallowed due to match I am fix it net say in a certain score line. And one more any clear chance and I say opportunity be and I say penalty will be a referee deny and also no that fixed game no to me so and no me who nipa one more a boy must have fixed game because so and fixed match what they fix ereba we ma necessarily it's not even this year nor even next year because fixed match before we move yen match side we know it will take some years as I said fixed match say FA no engage in the referees and as a match officials no with the match commissioner line 1 line 2 and the center referee and even before as case you won't be now work up on Ghana see you qualify cry you to me akobako you beji trophy na you ne team make so
work boy now okumu no yeah sorry friend ya ousu
okay
ya ousu say wana South Africa no and also small town your friend in Zulugu okay and I in South Africa and say argument here penalty and I just say on one second
in take another we Ghana near say match we power you say bebo bi odi and see that but media me when say with influence be a minimum due to before papa ye friend Musepe obenya president ni ade oba bedi Ghana ha ni nyina no nsem ni ade pi ni na mochi a alleged and na mochi yes yeah intino if say and na woman so ebezi was say CAF president if you want chrome and the link between the president and the FIFA president no na ebe we be I think say the disciplinary committee so I think say woman so be use the fair and justice no mo dia ejuma the fair player e football mu no as a whole no woman be use e dia ejuma but the result ebe thing say ene no woman be to me ask schedule for a replay and I say results no best san and I say revisa and no the Ghana
if only say it was fixed. Yeah. According to near allegations that Safa for making na FIFA jetum that you fixed with evidence I will be Gadani I think the match will be replayed.
Oh sure, and no there.
South Africa and Senegal. This Ghanaian referee could do South Africa. Because this another controversial penalty. And as we make allegations there, I think it was it Senegal for to make it. Yes, one protester said I fixed game and it was replayed.
But okay, and then I just say because they are me when he say no South Africa for nature say one more evidence padia. Nature say no
if fixed game they should bring the evidence out.
Okay. Maybe but such evidence will be sent to the disciplinary committee. After one more case in it will be sent to the disciplinary committee.
Yes, the disciplinary committee up to 20th.
Sure. In Ghana also respond. Yeah. Then South Africa, and it won't be known say whether I say one more day those evidence are one more canon such evidence and one more they count.
Ghana responded to it. Yeah. Now one free issue no. One free issue now. No, be any evidence or one will present. Now, FIFA so atena say okay, evidence you do. Then one
more they atunes on so na say.
And so eventually outcome no. And after second be present and be responded to allegations South Africa for make
okay.
Then we know what you
because Ochina so yem no as
Ochina be discussing Ochina be discussing Ochina you be doing come
cases need one more to protest.
Ochina so Ghana and South Africa yeah
okay you see I think the South Africans are using a certain defensive mechanism. Who say Ghana form over some time and who say Ghana as a young modern more abba form into your group they saw say oh side group whether hook or crook fair or foul means we can easily qualify into tier one coach now. He said categorically, even as of the last match, last but one match, Yakobo Lesotho, Ethiopia or South Africa. The coach was very optimistic, and he said on authority, say South Africa will qualify. He assured the whole nation, say they will qualify. I don't know. Nim Ajina no win team. Say Omobeba na yang the other. ya hwepo na wonga bebo draw and ase wonga be wini wa ha akọ se den. Nti I said they've really pledged the country say they would qualify. Nti woba hana as a results are wopeno ankoye wonga nya the needed results na I bet justify nya what kind of they need to find a beautiful way of defending themselves. And I think say you can only do that by shifting the blame from you to somewhere. So that at least the indigents or the citizens will understand and say, oh, okay, indeed, we should have qualified. Had it not been this. And I think that is exactly what they are doing. And they cannot just sit somewhere. When him says I protest, it won't go anywhere. It won't. Let me remember a typical example. It was one game which caused Portugal. Portugal against Serbia. First league match. Cristiano Ronaldo scored a clear goal. Ball try lie. It was a clear goal. Replay, everything showed clearly said it was a goal. The game, the referee disallowed the goal. The game ended, I think 1-1. And then Portugal could go playoff. They protested. What happened?
Nothing. Maybe an evidence, you know.
No. Even that one.
And I say it was a clear goal, but we didn't have a JV.
No. And I make us say 1J. But even that one is, you know, when you're talking about pin sheet, that is
South
pin
Africa.
sheet.
And let me follow press conference.
You understand?
They are saying there, first league in a ball was South Africa. Although they won by a goal to 0, they scored a second goal. And I said they scored a goal. It was a clear goal, but official no.
Who caused it?
It was the official.
Are we the ones who officiated?
once again, one back to Ghana to play the second league. Game no cause so. This is a referee taking, you know.
Who must be held responsible?
The official.
So that is it.
But now they are making a statement. See, statement they will make it up. Danny Jordan. I say, okay, my main kind this statement. This match was a very decisive match, where Ghana only had one option, but to win. If Ghana loses this match, there will be a major socio-economic problem, even for the president of the country.
How?
Danny Jordan.
Why is it the first time we've not qualified? Is it the first time we've not qualified for the World Cup? No. After Yakob Brazil by, we didn't qualify. We didn't qualify. It was Turuka. Young qualify. Then they see Yandidi or Mayimana. What are they talking about? They shouldn't even go there. That's what I'm saying. That this whatever is just there's a defensive mechanism to protect themselves. They want to be at the safer side so that the country will not hold them responsible. That's why they are doing this.
Who go Bruce?
Because when you pass, this won't go. I've given you example, and I can cite series of examples to you. World Cup. And then what the goal line technology by Germany versus England. Lampard scored a clear goal.
But they are saying they are not saying go no whatever penalty no. They are making another allegations. Erica penalty no.
What are
I remember justify say game now boy and Kasa fixed.
Who fixed it?
Ghana and the referee.
How much was
that
involved?
was what they are saying.
How much was involved?
Because the coach Hugo Bruce statement to make in. I say the game started. The game started, and after 15 minutes, I went to my bench and said to my two assistants, "Forget it. Ghana will win."
Perhaps his team was not playing well. He saw clearly
because his thing is that because of the performance of the referee. Well, former referee, South African referee. The friend is Nkobo. I say that 90.9% of incorrect decisions went against one team is a clear case of a match official unlawfully influencing and or manipulating the course and or the outcome of the match.
Where does he come from?
He's a South African referee.
We don't need to even listen. One more power. They should get an independent referee from a different country. Let's go to England. Let's pick an independent referee. Sit down, give him the match, let him watch. May I watch the match? And at the point I was sad because
that's why I'm also saying that young F no wonder.
Because they've also reacted.
No, not about press statement. Look at I think none of us and none of you. Let me share video be support have been try from a different angle. I know crowd say it was a penalty.
Yes, there has those videos.
I'm so later pulling it down. So these videos we have to gather them. Now you see in your press conference, we are saying this is what is going on.
Okay, we don't need to gather anything. You know what? Let me tell you something. When it goes there, the disciplinary committee will review the match. They will get experts. They will get expert officials to review the match. Who say referee cry baby? now they want to punish the referee. They get independent expert referees to sit down and review, and then lo and behold, they can justify, say, oh, okay, indeed, it was a deliberate or a mistake or whatever. It won't hold any water. Sad way, it won't go anywhere. It won't change the results. It won't do anything. If they have any rebuilding, they should do. Get prepared for. Saying you qualify for
that's what tarnish the image of
they can't do
anything.
FA. That's what I'm saying.
I don't buy by the idea of the FA should come out with a statement or a press conference or whatever. But baby, it could do yes. Anana me say FA no. They should also come out to
respond.
Lament the we know now Obi answer and you okay. But me I don't see because you want any panel the work. So whatever case you have no. Whatever evidence you are also going to.
If only say
you get it.
Decision a referee take you, I don't think that
no. Because
but tarnishing the image of the FA, I may be the country itself and even the president.
You see South Africa. You see South Africa. They have a big problem to solving this issue. You are talking about match fixing. Okay, fine. Who fixed? That is one. How much was involved? Who were the parties?
Maybe they will present the evidence to the disciplinary committee.
All those things.
They will prove it at the disciplinary committee.
What are you talking about? One is Senegal issue. Referees were giving money. Ghanaian referee. Or they share the socks. In a ball player could get no penalty. And it was clear.
Until they have evidence to raise to this.
They
will send it to the disciplinary committee.
Now, if you have, I can even show why and rematch about Ghana. No, there is no way they will qualify.
Because I go see 2 in the class.
South Africa. They've done so many things. We didn't protest. They've done so many things.
Now I don't buy the idea of even the FA coming out because Masa, you protest now, the disciplinary committee here also respond call. They are mobile phrase evidence say will provide it. They should provide their own. You go with yours. That is all. Then after every way, the disciplinary committee they will sit down. No one baby rather than baby what the better and one never make it the final way. So this one, maybe when you say
ballot in December.
They won't ballot. One ballot.
Oh, they said what custom they for before the ballot. What custom they for the ballot?
FIFA so far as FIFA involving we know. Yes, they won't schedule for any match.
What is
football?
Because I go in
that one for FIFA it won't happen.
I'm quite you are still on duty. Ghana.
As I'm a corner, Madam.
About to meet you. Oh, come ask him.
Go to the birthday, Madam Esther. What did the birthday? Akokwaso. We do Joyce Kenowa, Madam Esther, what did the birthday into Chiang Command? Glory babies. In Chiang and Command was say, what did the birthday and every young point down now, Antonin Quandem. Now, a man in Funny Baby and Canon film. Ege. And someone who the South Africa walk baby. But I say, ocean in angle position. Takwaya started ball match me was as I didn't see, and some share BBC. Now, Usha BBC here, we matching bear 3 times. Angle and watch you know. Say clear penalty. I will clear the meti. Now, minim camera queen. A try match a ball Cape Coast Sports Stadium. Which means say a poor away.
I think so. Yeah. I don't know so steady.
Because
they are shifting the goalpost from penalty,
They
are shifting it from penalty to match fixing.
Unya correct camera na unya angle one correct. Say where they then Ukrainian. Nedia South Africa for one shift blame in every one because what was there? What could you watch that showing because coach in Akasakura or hand press conference no yen say. Feel it out. But what could you feel was no? See, I can't say I be feeling Jennifer said, share, you be who share one tell you no here now. Also, evidence I can do when you be. Nanamenti workers say match first and say before match, and after match, Obi Ocha, who call a match first and I say betting company win now. Match when we just know when you know 1-0, 1-0 according to penalty, 1-0. Sir. Ghana na wokum no. Ghana na wokum no South Africa. O say before the match, or said that predict say match no be 1-0, where penalty what be 1-0.
Ebia na osusu say match.
Entini province. Yeah, entini province ni be wie no, and what to answer and na say asem na Ghana den. And dey interrupt when wokum no. So I just say, okay. And then intimidate we say England one bet to one. We so fa akoko kura begina wo na akoko tu kura kwakura wetimi bet wo so. Apongo ni apongo wo bet wo so. Enti se me na
to me nkyere se akoko no be so akoko we ani.
Sa! But you but enti se na be debate.
There is no say
akoko.
There is akoko.
Mitimi uzi akoko we babu akoko we. Ya bi eke mitimi uzi
nkyere se akoko vitar be so akoko tu.
Oh eke mitimi predate because sana we bet ni bet sana tenin. Uzi na hu se ene ba amusu Ronaldo be se go. Ube si
oh there is no say Ronaldo the heavy.
The same thing.
Ronaldo the heavy.
The same thing.
Typical example.
The same thing.
Last season, it was last 2 seasons. Obi try bet say Jesse Lingard.
Almost
go massive for Man leader for the whole season.
Last match.
Only squad na.
Anya do go be that. Last match. When anybody no say go. No say the bet.
Me say Jordan Sancho on say go first round. First round.
It was what go say bet na.
Because onya be more.
Yeah, and
what just say Danny van de Beek on say go the first.
Jesse Lingard.
And now one say go ah.
Why say go ah? Any on the bet for no go. Challenge na.
At the bench. But in yes you say
oh there be. Me say any chance I want bet for no go we yana. There be because me na so say Ghana the penalty na be say. Me na maka masem. It is a social media na ko say obi a bet ye one obi a bet 1 there. Then I just say bet first thing na ko so. Uni asem bi aka. Because how asem kan dia and ko need 2 asem what can say sa match na Ghana referee ko dia one Senegal ko di no na woje penalty tia Senegal one penalty tia Senegal no one what na fie no wo hwe ball no hu say no ball na ye penalty nti won South Africa for no to be honest one FIFA nti wo share ko FIFA ko ka je say match we dey penalty we penalty nti one more rematch nti won wan ka say the call nti won expectation say was expect Ghana say Ghana be call na ko ka kire FIFA say match na ye penalty nti no ma ye mon foforo o sa si we esa no credit
na ayi
what you say biaka
Danny Jordan I'm say no
what you say biaka this is rubbish
statement and no I say
what you say biaka
even though the CAF president is from South Africa we don't want to be opportunist and use him but of course we called him right after the game and he assisted us but we are not using him at all.
We are using him.
Okay utie fourth referee na match commissioner na at no report na at the last statement as what can say match no boy ni won so bi ewum won
there be don kokas ohun fun so na
aso
chere ba so
dey can I say fourth referee una my uchi match no enti no bibia nya uka I say we be anya say to report because yeah because we check it no we say no
we ba na we see ngwa ya adwuma yi na say obi say why funzo na me try report me just am pass why funzo
na we say me say to because we check it no we here and the so for every day we match
so full but asem them to me can wa obi some crab into me can wa because I don't support them because of officials in paying for no treat here well until idea or them dey be am senior man for my school me can change say me kotoko odis nkrapo me ba be join you me ba be join you because as you paying for no to me treat here well until asem e wo no
into na ama Senegal
idea what dada
said them
ufa 2 players bia gina wo kotoko na has players kotoko we be say ka say kotoko team ne do body a emu ye de upon all jokes enye say ba players na kasa kura be ka kire we say boy na wo bo no wo kotoko a de to the sense say utim bobo kura sports stadium na so we obi abobo ye a wo be park na so ya be fi wo be kofi na kotoku mayema ukotoku mayema what say
we kotoko former player bia hon kire no
debi we say Chastela tell about kotoko no wo bobo na ko market a wo na we say wo ne best player wo bobo wo je wo dia wo na market a bibia free anything my player
what's the market what for bibia
oh best player wo je di say kotoko say Martin Kujo bisa wo ba je obobo wie na kotoku mayema e wa Accra Sports Stadium
say that no say yin so sai Benjamin na futu kote
Benjamin be
our house ni kotoko match
this issue ni there said ya na amanga sarika no ofa even heart of folk players 1 out of 10 Wamukra America from the perspective obi a ombo has mbo kotoko ombo has kotoko ba wa bo has da bombo even kotoko da crampo no ebeka sa asim we akire den tina heart of folk ebeka say womo yi Charles Taylor if you womo legendary status. It was the same allegation Charles Taylor come make he say kotoko even time a womo kra no womo time a womo has before obi move ya kotoko no na one now for players ebo kotoko no na womu say yes difference ni intino we ye hia shi bio if a legend from Heart of Folk like Charles Taylor I to saw a legend and Heart of Folk mpenifo ba bonten because there's no way from that time they will recognize Charles Taylor as even Heart of Folk former player because asema wako kano egu Heart of Folk mufi and then ama Senegal etumi abeka so inti pair this two alone ubetumi ejina so they yastic to make a point.
I know what
I don't know. See, it's not like okay. You see, it's not like say say Chelsea, a European club based in England or somewhere London, Crampo, and Madrid in Spain, or Madrid de Cronum, from capital of UK to capital of Spain. But Abraham tell friend no table culture. That's I'm not quite can say yes, this is a team. Okay, no yes you, but what is the way one year training? Odo ni and just tells you no new do, but odo no can a sang you want trasi. You get it?
You are retired.
Ha, intino. Or an American say, oh yin sanka sanang winning, and I said that you be or retire. Kotwa obeka the sing the even working so
maybe say former players then
I don't interview I don't know when I would teach in be able to me busa say aden ye nya such players awoma bohas ene kotoko say womo beka rather say has a me boy mumu ye better than kotoko but rather has na womo abo ache ni mumu no enu mumu na womo re say no even kranka minya kranka lifetime kranka me
kotoko support has.
You get it.
You know, obviously has to forget.
And America say, okay, we you shouldn't be argument or something because
I don't get it.
You see,
because
the thing is that you see a perception. I mean, cancer. Okay, Obo has. Is it as though say Obo you are not getting paid? Whatever you get as a player, about match away, supporters give you a plus.
Sure.
Okay. The team is never ever mandated. Say, oh, boy, you should step out and people. Oh, be that's all. Charlie, boy, so many plus. Okay. Now, currently, there is no team in Ghana who pays players better than us. There is no team. It's a fact. There is no team. If a team can do all these things for you, what else do you need? If a supporter sees you outside and give you something, it's a plus. And no, Obia one. Obi betimaka so come on, may I love this player so much. I'm buying something for you. Me to dangama, me to karma, of which kotoko for taye. Has phone time, yes sir. It still doesn't mean that is it's never mandatory. It's a perception. For Amma saying say on support to us normal. When we played Manchester or Manchester United legend, but support to Everton. He pays his dues at Everton. Ne pajamas are oshe did that. Ne beshit near Everton when he was interviewed. There are players like that. Players love teams, and no matter whatever. Then when Fabregas was leaving Arsenal, then it's Kakranso. Ordinary £3 million can because no person then Oko Barcelona. Into bisa said then the Bema player ayesa. What you say nenichre baby and no matter whatever no or hona ne cry then ewo. No matter whatever he goes there and he will say everything. Krobia a typical example of Madrid. It's about Courtois in Madrid. Are you saying there are no players in Madrid who will criticize Madrid? Look at the way Sergio Ramos was treated.
The likes of Rahul Mone, Guti when you were leaving
Casillas. You see, when you interview Casillas, the things he will say about Madrid, you also say, hey, is it the same Madrid? That it's about perception. But when it comes to benevolence, Kotokoyade, maybe ask me, but I'll tell you, Kotokoyade, they give out. Oh yes, but it is never ever mandatory. Say Obia, why? You get paid. What you say? So they yes.
I mean, announce the phone lines. 0551 667755 0551 667755 and that's 0270 191 971 0270 191 971. So bet me afraba nene Ghana and South Africa issues see also what me aka achewa adwin e won san so na ama Senegal jemo no obo Hassan so no na sa Hassan dan ko ma so nyanka kodoko o jin kakra kra o sa
e bia na akopɛ kotoko abo but wanya ambo but simu na e wonu kumamu so pɛ so oboni e bia sa abre na ne performance an so kotoko fo ani a o mesan no nti but onu tima o support ni se me support has but se me bobo tama me bobo no ka se kotoko nsan me amembo mebo me a professional player
kotoko legends emu ayede every win piano 400,000 Ghana cedis, right? Yeah.
Legends no
400,000 from from Hisense.
Criteria what they discover who is the legend?
Yeah. Anna enye legend bia.
Problem am info bi wa. Hello. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. But Jordan baby Afrefi.
Etiemo Kasafi Royal Jackson.
What's that Etiemo na baby ase o say?
Oh, no, so. Na me wa but na ye mra ka kanje after let the yami adme kakra.
Oh, okay. Ya yami ase. Ma yenti wa wi.
Aha. Jamaica Black Star match. Who says the strikers? Think Jordan Samuel Trey when you chance na what share ya and kasa we case we nyina nka ama. But because one away man who say Black Star no one more the ball our form. Well, nti give the penalty and sana that for betting I saw one time what is adia say some match ya bu enam so obi ewu. Well, nti yen strikers no so what your strikers need na team na kata what your team need and you be akeke na tell what fa no be ball. So what your team need. Ya mi shira mo.
So Master Timo from Royal Junction also bet me afraba 0551 667755 0551 667755 and that's 0270 191 971. Black Star South Africa issues and then press release if you know at the buy no mabuka mwasanza but yeah tuma show budget china we show budget a care for that
sports side in the day.
I don't know.
Kontumpo kakra na.
Kurabia. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon. But you didn't be afraid.
Your friend Fire.
Fire. O kaza fini.
Me kaza fini. You see, I didn't work for Kumapiasin, but I need to work.
I mean, gas what in O kaza fini.
Me kaza fini propose. Calvin. Namika will be for South Africa. South Africa and Tanzania account because Ghana Korea ma South Africa and qualify for African Cup. So you Korea yet me in World Cup. Until you say na beba. South Africa at any given day. What the South Africa begin Ghana South Africa ring to share Ghana. When was the last time South Africa share Ghana? And yet that's only prayer now. South Africa to share Ghana 1 year. South African to me share Ghana. If we say after Munase at Asatas Yakama, when you want to me, get to me and get to me, by Asha one nothing. Now when you want to me, Madam was
Now you say Biabeka, Yama Senegal, so we want 0551 667755 0551 667755 you wrap you up na kwa be
na American say
budget na chance o chance
budget no because we were white say yeah address pa across for stadium any baba yara nyina no percentage a wo mo dia kodu say wo ma complete ni nyina enim
the facts no baba hello wadana yeah. San Fred Brabium 0551 667755 0551 667755. Kwa be ekwi final.
Okay. Into the ekwi no so china ye be share budget. I surround yen football. Yen various stages no and ye be hwe one but ye kwena minchi obibia na ne assembly members we kropon nyina no minchi
go ma me family last call na ye fancy hello yeah Yerubisi Dandel G. Okay. Now is assembly member bi.
Oh na mi se mi chia won ekropon assembly members nyina.
Won hwe ni bola ze mi wa ma fututu bola gu keke won hwe na won kan wa
nti no mi chia wo mu nyina na ejuma e wo ho ete se wo mu ye. Ejuma wo ho ete se wo mu.
Sumsu okrom.
Teacher ka say there's no team in Ghana. Utia won't place more than grass for Uncle check ni. Uncle check ni.
Also now so prove
the 10,000.
Say Uncle check the highest player in Ghana. I see I been negotiate.
I saw onye kotoko.
Until I'm saying say on check any fact.
So say I been negotiate former Hearts of Folk player.
No,
that be not Hearts of Folk. I Hearts of Folk.
This Gabriel and Fabio Gama.
After that, I had to focus.
Right now,
9,000.
9,000.
I don't got
top pace
the highest paid player.
Glasson Awako.
And I'm saying Glasson Awako.
From Awako to I think Fabio Gama.
Even
was earning
9,000 a month.
Yes.
And I'm telling you on check any fact.
Because now and you got a player.
Player.
Nah, he not player.
Awako
hina player.
Band dinosaur.
Oh, that is not band.
He not netu aneka.
I say what aneka.
And I had to focus still paying him. They are paying him.
Great Olympics.
They are paying him. I had to focus. But yakwe, mama we say Dandel G. Dandel G. And any birthday, my mama say happy birthday. We if you who for Bonto, and also I always say Dandel, happy birthday. Dandel we kropon young wish no happy birthday. Nyankopon shanti Bonto. So always say Dandel, happy birthday. And so our ho Nyankopon shano. And you know eribesi a chain baby to us. Oh, and I was editing me also. Oh, you want to editing because it's but I mean that with your first and then you see on duty. What's in the car sound so now Krobia Sante. Hey. Video ne da me drop video ne the same base with here. So na come say the me am senior and kakra training Saturday be chance. We shall send the my money at the sound so the writer. What's in the car say no or the local stories so no buy and then no executive producer KB Ura Kofi Anson Bafo heavy papa heavy I don't pay come on idea heavy Samson and Nana Kofi Okorachi man that of sports and also no producer extraordinaire and so no a boy now as much way right DJ Tony Subo Tony a boy social media no DJ Ziggy and make sure say the visual so no betray go crystal clear Ziggy and so heavy and I feel so Jeff Kufu Boateng and support this show no park CJ because citizen also need Inchia Stanley teacher ni ewa Kusi Methodist or some say taxi driver into Inchia Stanley and I feel so SK Barber Shop on so no Ebuima go to show no na yakwe na se kesin come from House for Sport and so no 80 show na feel so mommy El Pentecost opposite. We'll be a show anywhere or follow show. Come on, Sister Beans is so Pentecost, Sister Beans. Now we do on our Zeke. I will book my Beans. But then I'm a foul. Let's do about 2 is my foul. I see, I was a woman, your Pamado or Donkey. Who's over a woman. I'm a Jamia. Yeah. And I sorry, Anna.
Yeah. I find a way coach. I'm a Jamia.
And you know, I don't know. See, I'm a person. Yes, I'm busy enough. So I cannot yet to me add to me area. But meeting and then I Kwame and Ponsedi with me a frame. Okay, now as if I used to look a crowd one corner, but then you let me be away fine. Okay, we sorry, so nothing. So you papa let me at one so muchum.
What shall I say? What you Kakra, na pre wana na. Osha wase,